exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, this time, forward stance naman, ha? Right leg back. Right leg back. Okay, use your low block. Okay? So, hand positioning while kicking.
Trixie, harap, hindi ka na side.
Okay, then right, left.
Yan, very good, Trixie. Nakaharap.
And low block. Balik sa low block. Okay? So, one count, ha? So, combination. So, ano?
Kick, one, low block.
Shout dito sa low block. Good. Ready? One count. Yung kick, make sure naka-ball foot. Then, targeting overhead. One length. Overhead. Ready? Let's do it. Speed and power. Ready? Now. Good. 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 Set.